Hello guys, if you are playing Flipscatter game and you are trying to open Flipscatter app and it is not opening or not working, so this video is for you, because in this video I will tell you how to fix Flipscatter not opening problem. So please watch the full video. So let's get started. First of all, go to the settings of your mobile phone if you are using Android or iOS. After that, tap on apps and notifications and then tap on apps option, and here search for Flipscatter or manually find it. Now open Flipscatter app and then tap on storage option and clear the cache as well as the data. Now okay, now go back and here force stop it and tap on OK. Now I hope this will work, but if this not work, then go to the Google Play Store or App Store if you are using iOS, and here search for Flipscatter and update Flipscatter add from here. Here it will shows update option, so update it from here. But if this not worked after updating, then please uninstall Flipscatter app and reinstall it again, so it will start working. So hope this will help. Thanks, goodbye.